Tawag akong ganito. Sa mga tonight. Hindi ako natutulog.
To go, beginning of the night that truly belongs to you, not only as a nod towards Wild Tonight and Your Never Aging, useful and vampire-like lyrics, but also someone truly never ceases. You have become famous for dropping MVs, so...
Salamat po. Parang siguro kasi natawag akong ganito. Sa mga tonight.
Maraming salamat, Mimi.
8 million na siya. Salamat po. Higaw, ikaw. Wala ka higaw, ikaw.
The next award goes to the next Superior King!
Superior King! Superior ba? Thank you po.
In literature and ancient worlds, Chord represented growth and rebirth. And truly, no one can deny how much you've grown from when you first debuted as the youngest member of SB19 to who you are now as a soloist. I can think of nobody else who represents growth more.
Maraming salamat. Graduate na ako. Thank you.
Sa SB19, 8 million na siya.
Next line, tayo naman yung sumama sa dito. Ayun ba, hindi na naman. Justin, kumusta ang experience natin sa Lagim? Alam niyo, dito overwhelmed ako. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang po matagal na gusto talaga. Gusto talaga na party. Ito, paunan ka mga. Gusto niyo ba yung kento? Grabe yung energy niyo. Sana hanggang ngayon. Kasi marami pa kami performance mamaya. So, hopefully, yung energy niyo, pataas niyo pa. Okay ba yan?
Una-una sa lahat, grabe. Kasama nito, sinodad nyo na naman ang another concert. At dahil pa ito kay Ninang Pure Gold. Kaya naman maraming salamat dahil another sold-out show na naman ito. At with the line of great artists here in the Philippines. Katulad kanina, nakita niyo ba kasama natin na Gento, yung Bini? Yes! Yeah.